Okay, yeah, so I was able to do this in the init function as well. Okay, so we create the vertex area object and we bind it, and then we create the vertex area buffer and we bind it and copy data into it. That happens inside that happens back inside the actual init function. So oops, hold on. Copy data into the currently bound vertex buffer. Create the vertex area object and bind it. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And so basically what I was able to do is get rid of the, because I used the buffer here, the GLU int. So I was able to get rid of some more, see, the VAO IDs, the buffer IDs. So all we have here is the attribute IDs. And we don't even have the name arrays anymore, so just attribute IDs. And I suppose if the text, if the, oh, do you suppose we can get rid of those global variables? Because where is that called? That's called within, oh, let's see. Can you take an enum and put it inside of a, let's see, particle system. Okay, now that should create an error for those. Or not. No, it still works. So you don't have to specify this. That's interesting. So the enum, when it's inside of a class, apparently, because when I'm down here, we're using them, and you don't have to specify this. It's pretty interesting. So all the classes that I create with particle system will inherit that and be able to use that. Okay, that's great. So we got rid of almost all the global variables. That is really great. So there's just one function declaration and then the stuff for input, which is really cool. So yeah, so well, no, but we don't want to do that. Yeah, so it's better to just like run it in here. Update buffer, logo one update. So that's actually run right here. Okay. I'm just, yeah, and logo one init, and then all that. Okay, so that's great. There's the init, logo one. Okay, so, and then there's the update, which we couldn't get rid of anything in there. Draw arrays. And then here's the init, which is the longest part of it, which is fine. Okay, and then you're back into your particle system. Logo, particle system, vertices, logo position, yeah. Okay, init display update. Okay, that's great. And so they just inherit this OpenGL. Okay, great. So that is really cool. This is reminding me a lot of the Sprite class, except for it's a lot more, it's like a whole particle system, so it's like a little bit more advanced than the Sprite class. No, it's pretty much the same. It's just that it's a lot, because we're not dealing with quads, you know. So very cool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments in the section below the video.